Happy morning, children. We are solving practice at 5.2 fourth question. The first statement is total number of lions and peacocks in a zoo is 50. The total number of their legs is 140. Find the number of lions and peacocks in the zoo. So let the number of lions be P. I have written because we don't know the number of lions. So we are writing it as P and peacocks we are writing it as Q. So the first statement we can write it in the form of equation very easily because total number. So total number of lions and peacocks in a zoo is 50. So this is the first condition. Number of lions P, number of peacocks Q. P plus Q is equal to 50. Okay, this is easy. Now next statement is total number of their legs is 140. Total number of their legs means lions and peacocks. Now one peacock, for example, has 2 legs, right? So how many peacocks are there? Q peacocks. So Q peacocks will have how many legs? Q into 2, right? So total number of legs of peacocks will be 2 into Q. Now number of peacocks is Q we have written. So 2 into Q is 2Q. I'll give you simple example. If we are having 10 peacocks, 1 peacock, 2 legs. So 10 peacocks will have how many legs? 20, right? So 2 into 10 is equal to 20. So number of peacocks is Q. So 2 into Q, which is equal to 2Q. Same way for lion. One lion has 4 legs. And how many lions we are having? P lions. So total number of legs of lions will be what? It will be 4 into P, which is equal to 4P. Right? And for peacocks, peacock has 2 legs. So total numbers of legs of peacocks will be 2 into Q, which is equal to 2Q. Okay. Now this we have completed. Now from the second condition, total numbers of their legs. Total numbers of their legs means what? Lion's legs. Lion's legs is how many? 4P plus peacocks is 2Q, which is equal to, what is the total? Total is given 140 from the second statement. So we will write 140. So this is our second condition and this is our first condition. Now we want, as I told you all, we have to eliminate one of the variables. So which one you would like to eliminate? See here, P plus Q is equal to 50 and 4P plus 2Q is equal to 140. So what we will do now, we want equal and opposite coefficient. It means we want opposite coefficients, right? So here there is plus 2. So here we want minus 2. Here there is 4P. Then here we want minus 4P. So whichever variable you want to eliminate, either P or Q, it is your choice. So I would prefer eliminating Q, and then we can do subtraction and we can complete. So here P plus Q. So what I will do, I will multiply equation 1 by 2. So I will get here also plus 2Q, here also plus 2Q. Then I will do subtraction. So the sign will change. So we will have opposite coefficients, equal and opposite coefficients. So multiply equation 1 by 2. So first we will write the equation P plus Q is equal to 50. So multiply by 2. 2 into. So we will get 2P plus 2Q is equal to 100. Now what we will do? This is our new equation, third equation. We will subtract equation 2 minus equation 3. And we will write equation 2 minus equation 3. Subtract equation 3 from equation 2. Like that we have to write in words if you want. Otherwise, like this shortcut also you can write. Now see here, while writing it should be written properly. Equation 2 minus equation 3. I have written. Now this 2. second equation minus, this is minus, no sign means plus. Now because of this minus sign, we are going to change the signs. Like this way you have to write minus 2p minus 2q is equal to minus 100. No sign means plus. So you will get 4p minus 2p is 2p plus 2q minus 2q is 0, which is equal to 140 minus 100 is 40. So you will get 2p is equal to 40. So p is equal to 40 upon 2. So p is equal to 20. Now put this p is equal to 20 in any equation. I think first equation is easier, that we will do. See, put p is equal to 20 in equation 1. What is the equation 1? P plus q is equal to 50. So p is 20, put p is 20 plus q is equal to 50. So we will get q is equal to 50 minus 20. No sign means plus. Take it to RHS, it will become minus. 50 minus 20 is 30. Now write the conclusion. So number of lions is equal to, as we got the value of p as 20. So the number of lions we have taken it as p is 20. And number of peacocks q we have got it as 30. So number of peacocks is equal to 30. I think that is what we had to find. Find the number of lions and peacocks in the zoo.